Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I am Muubii Bytes and a software engineer. I am back in the journey to help you become a software engineer by explaining all the concept of programming, internet and whatsoever. So if you are interested, please make sure you subscribe and follow along. And today we are diving into 5 key terms that every beginner programmer should know, whether you are just starting out in programming or looking to solidify your foundation. This concept will set you up for success. So let's get right into it. First off, we have variable. In programming, a variable is like a container that holds data. You can think of it as a label for a value, which can change during execution of your program. For example, in Python, we might write variable like this: name equals John. Here, name is the variable and John is the value it stores. You can change this value later in the code, making it a dynamic part of your program. Next, let's talk about functions. Functions are blocks of reusable code that perform specific tasks. Think of a function like a recipe. It takes some ingredient input, process them, and give you a result. For example, in JavaScript, you can define a function like this. Here, the functions greet text in name as an input and return a greeting. Functions help keep your code organized and easy to manage. Loop. Third, we have loop. A loop is a way to repeat a block of code multiple times without writing out over and over again. It is super useful when you need to perform the same task repeatedly. For example, in Python, you can use a for loop like this. This will print the number from 0 to 4. Loop saves time and make your code much more efficient. Up next, conditional statement. This allows your program to make decisions based on certain condition. Yes, you heard right, based on certain condition. The most common one is the if statement. In simple terms, it's like asking a question: is this true? If so, do this. For example, in Java, we might write if age is greater than or equal to 18, then system.out.print adult. Here, if the age is 18 or older, the program print adult. This helps your program react to different situations. Finally, let's talk about array. An array is a data structure that stores multiple values in a single variable. It's like a list that can hold many items of the same type. For example, in C++, you can declare an array like this. This array holds 3 integers, and you can access each one using its index. Array helps you store and organize data in a way that's easy to manage and manipulate. So, those are the 5 terms every beginner programmer should understand: variable, function, loops, conditional statement, and array. These concepts are the building block of programming, and once you get comfortable with them, you are ready to tackle more complex topics. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you never miss an update. And let me know in the comment what programming concept would you like me to break down. Happy coding! I will see you in the next video.